Imagine this, a distant galaxy. A black hole, a gravitational titan lies dormant, waiting, pulling in matter, light, and maybe even time itself. We've long thought of black holes as endings, but what if they're actually gateways? What if every black hole led somewhere, to another universe, another reality, a different cosmos entirely? Today, we're diving into the possibility that black holes might not be dead ends, but cosmic portals. And not just to one place, oh no, to infinite alternate universes. A multiverse of endless possibilities. If you're ready, let's take the plunge.
Today's video is thanks to my first sponsor, the Ridge wallet. I've been using Ridge for about 3 weeks now, and it's much better than my bulky old wallet. The Ridge wallet has got a slim, compact design, which I love. One of the best features about the wallet is the 12 cards it can hold. Possibly even more if you want to get crazy. And you can still carry your cash with the cash clip on the wallet. Being able to hold all my cards has made my life a lot easier. And the optional AirTag attachment and RFID features ensure that my cards and cash will never be taken or lost. I'm 100% sure that you watching, would love one of the many colors and materials that Ridge Wallet has to offer, along with the 100,000 other 5-star reviews. You can also get a lifetime warranty because of how confident Ridge is that your wallet won't break. And right now you can buy special NFL-themed wallets and key cases. The wallet and ring I got can be found if you click on the link in the description. So buy a Ridge wallet, ring, or a key case today with my promo code YouTube10. That's YouTube10 for 10% off at checkout. Now, back to your scheduled program.
To kick things off, let's quickly revisit what we know about black holes. They're the cosmic powerhouses that form when massive stars die and collapse under their own gravity. This process compresses everything into a tiny point known as a singularity, where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. The result? A black hole, a region of space that appears to lead to nowhere. The event horizon is what we'd call the point of no return. Once you cross it, there's no going back. Anything that gets too close is stretched and squeezed, a process known as spaghettification. To the outside observer, it's like objects are frozen on the event horizon, suspended in time. But to the object itself, it's on a one-way journey deeper into the darkness. But what if, as we continue this journey, the black hole doesn't just crush us into oblivion? What if somehow it spits us out somewhere else? Here's where it gets interesting. The concept of a multiverse has been around in theoretical physics for a while. Imagine our universe is just one bubble floating in a vast cosmic sea. But in this sea, there are countless bubbles, other universes, each with its own set of rules, laws of physics, maybe even its own version of Earth. Now, what if black holes are the doorways between these bubbles? In 2014, Stephen Hawking proposed an idea. What if black holes aren't quite as black as we think? What if, instead of just crushing everything to oblivion, black holes actually transport matter and energy somewhere else? Somewhere, maybe in another universe. Think of it like an interdimensional drainpipe. We fall in on this side, our universe, but we could, theoretically, emerge on the other side, in an alternate reality. So, let's imagine each black hole doesn't end in a singularity, but instead opens into a new universe. Here's the scenario. Humanity has built a spacecraft capable of surviving the intense gravitational forces of a black hole. The crew, prepared for the unknown, embarks on the mission of a lifetime. As they cross the event horizon, the crushing pressure they expected never comes. Instead, the inside of the black hole becomes a kind of cosmic highway, transporting them through layers of distorted space and time. When they reach the other side, they find themselves in a completely new universe. And what's there? Maybe they land in a universe with physics similar to ours, but with subtle differences. Perhaps gravity is weaker, making everything larger. Trees reach higher, mountains scrape the sky, even the oceans cover more of the planet's surface. Familiar, but strange. Or maybe they land in a universe where life developed under vastly different circumstances. What if intelligent beings evolved from silicon instead of carbon? Instead of oxygen, their atmosphere is rich in ammonia or methane. Their technology is incomprehensible to us. Light and sound move in ways we don't understand, and yet they've also pondered the existence of other universes. Now, imagine that every black hole led to a different version of reality. We send probes or explorers into black holes across the universe, and each time they find themselves in a different alternate world. Each universe, a cosmic experiment. In one universe, Earth never developed complex life beyond the oceans. Here, the planet is covered in shallow, warm seas filled with bizarre, jelly-like creatures and plants that glow in a rainbow of bioluminescent colors. Humans, if we could survive there, would find a peaceful, almost alien oceanic paradise. In another universe, humans never evolved. Instead, massive reptiles rule the planet, much like the dinosaurs did here, but on a grander scale. Some are as intelligent as early humans, building crude shelters, using simple tools, and living in tribes. Or maybe we'd find a universe where the Earth is in a perpetual ice age, a frozen desert under a dim sun. Humanity adapted, of course, but society took on a totally different shape. Tribes of nomads huddling in ice caves, cities of ice and steel, all built to survive in the harsh, frozen wastes. Each black hole could open the door to a different version of Earth, and every trip could reveal a new what if. Now, of course, there's the excitement of discovery, but there are dangers too. What if, by entering an alternate universe, we destabilize the connection? Or what if something follows us back? Imagine a universe where life developed differently. There, intelligent beings might not see us as other travelers, but as a threat. Or they could see our resources like water, oxygen, even human bodies as commodities. We could become the interdimensional invaders, unintentionally starting a cosmic conflict. Or what if a world beyond a black hole operates on entirely different physical laws? In a universe where time flows in reverse, or where light behaves like a solid, the human body might not withstand the laws of that realm. Passing through a black hole might not just alter our surroundings, it could fundamentally change our bodies or even our minds. Then there's the danger of getting stuck. If a black hole is a one-way ticket, how do we get back? It could be the ultimate journey, yes, but also the ultimate isolation. A black hole might connect us to infinite worlds, but we'd have no way to return to our own. Let's take it a step further. What if each alternate universe held a version of us? You, me, everyone we know, but different. In one universe, maybe your alternate self made entirely different choices in life. Perhaps they're a famous musician, an explorer, or even a scientist who's already figured out the secrets of black holes. Imagine the psychological impact of meeting yourself. For some, it might be inspiring, but it could also be deeply unsettling, seeing another version of yourself who is maybe stronger, smarter, or more successful. Or the reverse, someone whose life turned out to be tragic. These alternate versions of ourselves would be like mirrors reflecting the choices we didn't make, lives we didn't live. And the million-dollar question, what happens if you bring something back from an alternate universe? Imagine an invention, a cure for disease, or even just a simple object. Could these souvenirs destabilize our own world, maybe even our entire universe? It's like the ultimate forbidden fruit, the lure of infinite knowledge, but at an unknown cost. But what if there's an even deeper mystery to black holes? Maybe they aren't just portals to other places. They could be the cosmic memory banks, holding records of every reality that's ever existed. Some physicists suggest that black holes store information, tiny imprints of everything that's fallen into them. If we could access that information, we might not just visit other universes. We could rewind to previous versions of our own. Imagine glimpsing moments from Earth's past, witnessing the evolution of life, seeing ancient human civilizations, or even creating entirely new worlds based on different choices. It's a radical idea, but what if black holes could help us understand the true nature of reality? Are we living in a simulation, a complex web of cosmic threads all woven together? Black holes might be the keys to unlocking the deepest questions about existence itself. So, if black holes are gateways, the question isn't just where do they lead, but also should we even go? Is the thrill of discovery worth the risk of losing ourselves, or worse, our universe? The reality is we're drawn to the unknown. We've always been explorers pushing boundaries. Black holes could be the next frontier, but they're also a reminder of our limits, of the mystery that lies at the heart of our universe. And who knows? Maybe someday we'll build the technology to cross the threshold. Maybe someday brave explorers will venture through a black hole and return to tell their story. Or maybe one day we'll find ourselves visited by someone or something from the other side. Until then, the black hole remains an enigma, a doorway locked to us. But as long as we keep looking up, keep asking what if, there's always a chance we'll uncover the secrets hidden within the darkness. And maybe, just maybe, we'll discover we're not alone after all. If you enjoyed this journey through the mysteries of black holes and alternate universes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next adventure. Here on All Sci-Fi What If, we explore the possibilities, the science, and the endless what ifs of the universe. And sci-fi short stories, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep imagining.